Hello friends, welcome to Golden Career, and today we will solve puzzles. Puzzles is an important topic because you will get 15 to 20 marks in your both prelims and mains exam. So we have decided to provide you puzzles, at least 3 puzzles in a week, and I have also uploaded a puzzle ebook. So you can download this puzzle ebook if you are a member of State Bank of India coaching batch, and if you're not a member, you can join our coaching. Go to our website www.goldencareer.co.in, and cost of coaching is very less. You have to pay only 10 rupees for full coaching. You will get all study material, faculty support, newspaper, GK, everything. Means it's a full-fledged coaching. You don't need to invest anywhere. It's a free coaching. 10 rupees is only for registration charges. Again, the Hindu newspaper is available on our website, and if you have any issue, any technical issue, and if you have paid, you are not able to log in, any kind of issue, you can mail us at info@goldencareer.co.in. So let's start. So this is a puzzle. This is a moderate to high level puzzle. We you some may say it's a moderate level, some will say it's a high level puzzle, but it's a good level puzzle, and you will see these kinds of puzzles in your State Bank of India exams definitely. So PQRSTU and V, actually it's a combination of two puzzles. One is circle sitting arrangement, and one is blood relation family tree. So PQRSTU and V are 7 members of family. So there are 7 members in the family. Each members of the family belongs to different profession. Okay, there is a doctor, a professor, musician, shopkeeper, contractor, a manager, and a businessman. All are sitting around a circular table facing to the center of the circle. Okay, T and U belong to the same gender, and U, the spinster, is a manager. Here is the first clue: U and T are female. So we will write minus sign for female and plus sign for male. So T and U belong to the same gender, and U the spinster. Spinster means U is a female who is not married. Okay, a manager, and U is manager. Second clue: U is manager. Okay, then son of S is a shopkeeper. Okay, son of S is shopkeeper. Son of S is shopkeeper. In your exam, you have to write all the clues on your rough sheet. Whose daughter is R? Okay, so let's start. First, make a circle with 7 members: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's make one more: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All are facing inside. Okay, it is given in the question that all members are facing inside. So we will draw something like this. Okay, and here we will draw family tree. Okay, the son of S, we don't know S is male or female, but son of S is a shopkeeper, so it's clear shopkeeper is definitely a male because it is mentioned that son of S and son of S is a shopkeeper. Okay, son of, so whose daughter is R, and the daughter of shopkeeper is R. R is the daughter of shopkeeper. Okay, no spouse is sitting together. The father, okay, no spouse means husband and wife are not sitting together. Okay, the father of manager is not sitting near to any male person. Okay, the father of manager means the father of you is not sitting near to any male person. Okay, the son-in-law of the shopkeeper, son-in-law of the shopkeeper, it means the husband of son-in-law of the shopkeeper is not an immediate neighbor of the manager. Okay, or the shopkeeper is not an immediate neighbor of the manager or the shopkeeper. Okay, P, the eldest person of the family, is a professor, but the spouse of P is not a musician. Okay, P is the eldest person of the family. Here it is given P is the eldest person of the family, it means P is a male. Okay, because it is given. Okay, it will be clear to you. Let's Read the question. P is the eldest person of the family, is a professor, but the spouse of P is not a musician. V, who is his son-in-law of the musician, is a businessman. So here one clue. V is businessman. V is businessman. Musician is the person who is the doctor is sitting second to the right of the father. Okay, when there is a combination of two puzzles like circle and the family tree, then try to solve first. Here we are trying to make the family tree first, then we will try to solve the circular arrangement. Okay, so just ignore it. Settings in doctor is sitting second to the right of the second. Okay, you is the daughter of the businessman. You is the daughter of businessman, means you is daughter of V. You is daughter of V. Okay, you is the daughter of businessman. You is the daughter of V. And uh, there are four generation and three couples. Okay, there are three couples. Okay, so it is clear now that there are three couples in the family and P is the eldest person. So when there are three couples and four generation, it means you will be the, you know, you is the single. It means there is no husband of you. Okay, so P is the eldest person. We will P here, place here, and U is the youngest person in the family because it is not married. And if maybe it is not, maybe U is not the youngest, but we can clearly say we will place U in the bottom of the family tree. Why? Because no generation we can, as U is not married, so we cannot make family tree below the U. Because if U is not married, then we cannot say that you have children, you have son, you have son, or you has a daughter, you has a son. We cannot say anything because U is unmarried. So it means U will be at the bottom of the family tree. Okay, so I think it is clear to you now. P is the eldest person of the family. Okay, and here we have make as shopkeeper R. So now we will try to place it. Okay, when P is the eldest person, suppose we do something like this. P S, and son of S is shopkeeper, and then R, and then R to U. Then there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 generations. There will be 5 generations, and it is given that there are 4 generations. In family, there are only 4 generations. It means this assumption is wrong. So now we can clearly see here P, and there are 3 couples. So wife of P will be S. Why? Because we have tried, no, we have tried to place the S below the P, but when we are placing the S below the P, generation becomes 5. So we and it is given in the question there are only 5 generation. It means we have to put S uh, in the same line, in the same generation uh, of P. Okay, so we will place S here, and if P is male then S will be female. And it is given that P is the wife of P. It means P is the eldest person of the family, is a professor, and he is a professor. He is a professor, and his wife is not a musician. Okay, okay. Then shopkeeper. Then the son of S is shopkeeper. Okay, here shopkeeper will come, and it's a male. It's a male and shopkeeper. Okay, again there will be a wife. Okay, then R, and R is a female. Okay, and then U. Okay, now there are 3 couples. Definitely R and shopkeeper will be married, so we have to find who will be the wife of shopkeeper, and who is shopkeeper, and who will be wife of R. Okay, so uh, okay, the son-in-law of the shopkeeper. The son-in-law of the shopkeeper is not an immediate neighbor of the manager or the shopkeeper. P is the eldest member of the family, is a professor, but this was of spouse of P is not a musician. Okay, V, who is son-in-law of the musician. V, who is son-in-law of the musician. Okay, we cannot put V here. Why? Because suppose we put V here, then definitely V is what? We will be female. Okay, so V will be female, and it is given that V is son-in-law of musician and S cannot be musician. It is given in the although V is not V is daughter-in-law of S, but suppose okay, then we will be if we put V here, then V becomes daughter-in-law of S, and it is given V is son-in-law of a musician and S cannot be a musician. It is given in the question, so we will not put V here. Okay, we will put V here, and it is given V is son-in-law, V is positive, V is son-in-law of a musician, so here will be musician, and it is already clear. This is shopkeeper. Okay, whatever who he is shopkeeper, the husband of uh, musician is a shopkeeper. Okay, and U is negative and manager, it is already given. Okay, V who is son-in-law of musician is a businessman. Now V is businessman. Okay, now we can remove this tree which we have drawn for reference. Now we have to place T and Q. Okay, so T and U belongs to same gender. T and U belongs to same gender. Now it is clear. T is a female, so definitely we will place T here because T is a female, and we will place Q here because Q will be the male. Okay, so this is the family tree. Now we will try to solve the circular puzzle. Okay, it is given doctor is sitting second to the right of the father of the person who is a contractor. Now try to find who is the, okay, it is also given in the question R is a contractor. It is given R a contractor. So we will write contractor here, and okay, and S will be manager, businessman, contractor, shopkeeper, musician, and S is doctor. Okay. So doctor is sitting second to the right of the father of a person who is a contractor. So father of contractor is Q. Okay, and doctor is S. It means S is sitting second to the right of Q. S is sitting second to the right of Q. Suppose Q is here, S will be here. Q is here, S will be here. S is sitting second to the right of Q. Okay. The shopkeeper, who is the shopkeeper, is Q, is second to the right of the person who is spinster. Who is spinster? U is spinster. It is given. Look, it is given in the question. U is spinster. U the spinster. Okay. So U is spinster, and shopkeeper is second to the right of the person who is spinster. So U will be here. Only then shopkeeper will be second to the right of spinster. We will place U here. So now it is given. Now we have to mention gender here. Minus, minus, S minus, and Q plus. Q plus. Okay, now we will try to place other things. Okay, so it is given P, the eldest person of the family, is a professor, but the spouse of P is not a musician. Okay, uh, it is yes, no spouse is sitting together. The father of manager, who is the manager? U, and the father of manager is V. Okay, father of manager is V. So V is not sitting near to any male person. It means we cannot sit here. V is not sitting near to, we cannot sit here. Okay, so if we cannot sit here, can we put V here? Yes, definitely we can put V here. Here U is a female, suppose, and we can also put V here because S is a female. So in one case we will try to put V here, and V is negative, and in one case we will try to put V here, and V is negative. Okay, so so let's see next. Sitting near to any male, but the son-in-law of shopkeeper, the son-in-law of the shopkeeper, and who is son-in-law of the shopkeeper is businessman. Son-in-law of the shopkeeper is businessman. The son and V, it means, okay, so the son-in-law of the shopkeeper is not an immediate neighbor of the manager or the shopkeeper. It means V is not the neighbor of U or Q. V is not the neighbor of V, U or Q. Okay, so here, sorry, V is a V plus. V plus. So it is given V is not the neighbor of U, and in this case V is neighbor of U. It means this case is wrong. This case is wrong. Now we are left with only one case. So it means V will be here. Now we can U, okay, Q, and husband, sorry, wife of Q is T. Wife of Q is T. So we cannot put T here. We cannot put T here because no spouse is sitting together. So we will put T here. Now talk about S. Husband of S is P. We cannot put P here. So we will put P here only. Okay. And let's talk about S, P, U. Now R. Okay. So R will be here only. Negative, and P is positive, and S is negative, female, and T is also female, and T is musician. So here is the solution of puzzle. Okay, so in this way you can solve the puzzle very easily. I will try to post at least 3 puzzles in a week so that you can solve it easily. And I have also provided you a puzzle. I have also provided you a puzzle book. Log in your account, download that book. Puzzles are of moderate level in that book, and there are 24 puzzles, and solve it. And soon I will provide you some high level puzzles also. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel so that you can get updates easily.